onabudde munno gena mujjukira
agenze abadde wano ennaku tono nnyo emabega tubeera ne maama we nembeera n'abasawo okulaba ki ekyokukola ng'ali mu ICU naye njogera n'abasawo ebigambo bingi byesiyinza kuddamu akaseera kano nze gwe badde bakkiriza ne babadde bajja okugendayo mu ICU ngabeko tusalire wamu amagezi naye ebitengo ne binkwata ne bagamba ayogera tayogera ategeera tutategeera bagamba ali mu critical condition ne bagamba nti tusale amagezi nga tuli eno bweru naye sigenda kuyingira mu ICU
essaawa eno wandibadde na mu kooti naye olwomunywanyi munnammwe
embeera neyeeyongera okuditariolatinga okubeera embi era mbadde in touch n'abasawo okulaba kyekiyinza okukolebwa ne tulowoozaako okwongera omwevacuatinga addeyo bwagakaani naye nga tekikyasoboka era ng'ali mu ICU wano nga tekikyasoboka kati netulinda afunemu amaanyi era nensaba abasawo nti bw'aba afunyemu olwongu bangula ng'asobola okwogera ng'asobola okutegeera nzije twogere naye tusale amagezi tekisobose
ekisembayo Dr. Erias Lukwago wali naye nga kansala ku KCCA abadde naye
nga sinagenda ku kya kansala oba memba wa parliament kisinga okunnuma nzero yawe twamala ebbanga mu kooti nga bamuguddeko ebisango ebijweteke ne bamumma bbeeyi ne tulwana n'afuna bbeeyi ne Alan Sewanyana ne baddamu ne bamukwatira ekigo mu mbeera enzibu ennyo nga bwe mwagiraba Ssejjirinya n'atwalibwa emulago twatuuka ku emulago ng'ali ku muggo gwa ntaana gwennyini abasawo ne bakola alipoota ez'enjawulo waliwo medical superintendent owa prisons yakola alipoota kakoraki yakola alipoota n'agiwa ne sipiika wa parliament n'abagamba bannange mukole kyonna ekisoboka mujje Ssejjirinya mu kkomera agende mu ddwaliro agenda bafiirako mu kkomera eripoota oyo musawo wa gavumenti naye era lipoota ne bagiziimuula tugenda okulwana okumaliriza okufuna bbeiro ku Ssejjirinya ng'obulamu bwe bukeeye okutandika okulwana malwaliro wuuyo agenze Nairobi wuuyo agenze Ruddawa ng'embeera etabuse nga kibi nnyo Ssejjirinya abadde mulwanyi ekirala ekinnuma ennyo nti Ssejjirinya atobye n'obulamu buno ffenna obulamu buno Allah yabutukuteekerateekera tubweyagaliremu naye Ssejjirinya atobye n'obulamu okuviira ddala nga muto yayitamu nga kansala okufuuka kansala n'okutuuka nga memba wa parliament talina kyaganyoddwamu ye ng'omuntu mu kifo kya bwa memba wa parliament naye ng'abeereddewo nnyo abantu ekyo kye tusinga okumujjukirako ebintu bibiri Ssejjirinya abadde mulwanyi alwanirira eggwanga lye eddembe ly'obuntu obwenkanya ate nga Ssejjirinya ayagaliza abantu abalala alina omutima ogulumirirwa nga bw'alaba ono aboyaana alina okutuukawo alabe kikyasobola okukola mu bunafu bwe mu busobozi bwe obutono Mukama amumuze mirembe amuwe ekiwummulo eky'emirembe amusonyiwe byonna ebyamusobako.
That kind of experience that you went through as his lawyer, but also the family, I could see his mother running up and down, going to parliament, pleading for his life. What does it mean for the administration of justice, but also this case?
It's a message to Mr. Museveni and his team. You see, we have a constitution, we have a Bill of Rights. Even if you have issues with somebody and they are facing charges, they must be protected. Life is paramount. You must guarantee that even if they are facing a trial, they are at liberty to access medical attention. They are at liberty to get whatever facilities they need to be strong, to be alive. But we realized actually they were condemning Ssejjirinya and Sewanyana to death. They prejudged them, they convicted them before trial, and that was the thing. So this talk of no bail, this talk of no bond, is going to affect so many people. You see, I may be having my own underlying issues, and these are the reasons that I insist under the laws to allow accused persons to be admitted to bail so that they can attend to those problems, those underlying issues they may be having. So I may be hypertensive, I may be diabetic, I may be having some issues that require to be admitted to bail so that I attend the trial coming from outside. So curtailing civil liberties is a very, very big problem. So what aggravated Segirinya's situation and it caused the deterioration of his health is that incarceration, endless illegal incarceration without allowing him to access physicians of his choice and getting medical treatment from prior to his arrest. By the way, he had visited his physicians in Germany. He was there before. And he pleaded, we put all this in black and white on paper. In all the pleadings we put there. We insisted that, look, this is the record of this gentleman. His life is in danger. Please, do you want to try a dead body? Get him out of jail. Have him, allow him access medical facilities of his choice. When he's stable, you try him. Can you imagine even recently? The ICD court here issued the criminal summons for Segirinya to appear before court when he was actually grounded here in the hospital. How insensitive can our justice system be? How insensitive can our leaders here be? We ask them, please, you people, do you know the situation the gentleman is going through, the order is going through, to just insist that please let him come and attend the trial? So their focus was about pushing him to the hilt, pushing him to the wall. Now is finished.
As a person who works with the late now, as when he was a councillor, Lord Councillor, but also as a member of parliament in the opposition, how would you remember the late Muhammed Afudde?
Segirinya has been a real hustler. If you want the true definition of the word hustler, then it is Segirinya Muhammad. Throughout his life, from childhood, as a councillor, as a member of parliament, and in all his daily life, he's just been hustling. That is one thing. Two, he loved his country and he's been a fighter. If you are talking about a foot soldier, Segirinya was a real foot soldier. He would move from one place to another in search for justice, not for himself, but for Ugandans across board, and also in search for democracy, good governance, and the rule of law. He gave it his all. He put up a solid fight. He spared no iota or atom of his strength in the fight for rule of law, constitutionalism, and good governance to liberate this country. And above all, he's a person who was very, very compassionate with the marginalized, with the people in need. He's one person who loved humanity. He had empathy for whoever was in need of support, and he was always there to assist those marginalized people.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Okay, Lord.